National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, Rockwall County in north central Texas, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Rowlett, DeSoto, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Wiley, and Coppell. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.